One of the kinds of cases we do are premises liability cases or slip and falls, and we get a lot of calls in those cases. And the first question I always ask is, were there any witnesses to your slip and fall? These are difficult cases anyway, and if there are no witnesses, it makes it even more so. If there's not a witness to verify what happened, what caused you to fall, the area where you did fall and sustain injuries, it can just be your word versus the store or the property where you fell. So it's very important, if there are witnesses, to get the witness information, phone numbers, contact information. If there are no witnesses, that doesn't mean you don't have a case. There's other methods to prove what happened. I've got a case now where a client was at a well-known outdoor store looking at, I believe, some flowers and comparing prices when she was standing there and suddenly just hit very hard from the side and knocked to the ground. She looked up and she noticed one of the employees standing there with a big push cart stacked very, very high with bags of potting soil. She made the report, and the employee said, I was watching where I was going, and she backed into me, she tripped over my cart, it's her fault. And the client obviously had a different story, and there were no witnesses to verify either one. So what I did was write a letter to the store that we're investigating this claim. They need to preserve all videos and incident reports. And after several months of working on the case, they did finally produce the video, and I believed my client when she told me what happened. And we got their surveillance video, and it showed exactly what happened. As she said it, she was standing there and got hit by this guy pushing a cart filled with potting soil bags so high he couldn't see over it or around it. That's why I ran into her. So not having a witness to your slip and fall doesn't mean there's no case. It just means there's additional work to do to prove what happened and prove responsibility on part of the store. So we've got a lot of experience in these cases. We know what to say to the store, what to say to the insurance company to make sure the evidence we need to prove the case is preserved. So if you've had one of these incidents, call us and let us help you.